example, there is people like me. I come from a family that is very polygamous. My great-grandfather had 38 wives. And my grandfather had several of them. And my father had 2. The only one that were known. No. The ones that we knew. There were 2. Praise be the name of God. And because he's a man, you never know whether they have others. But we just say we know the 2. There's one day I went with him. He invited me to take him to a burial somewhere in Remuru. We came all the way from Molo. My father really trusted me. He believed in me. We were partners in crime with him. So he told me one day, there is a place I want you to take me for burial. And it's a mother of that family that was being buried. And when we reached there, we were received well, and we were taken somewhere to sit. And where we were taken, where we were taken where the family members are sitting. And then as we sat down, I asked my father, who is this family? Because I never seen them. And he told me, I will talk to you later. Then as we were going home, I was driving the car. I asked him the same question. Then he asked me, what is wrong with you? What's wrong with you? But why I insisted on who is this family? Because when the sons and daughters were told to stand up for a photo session, I saw some of 3 brothers that who looked like me. We looked like we were. It's a family. They looked like we are brothers. So that is why that was pushed me, wanting to know who is this family. But my father did not tell me. And my conclusion therefore, I sat down now to do my calculations. And because I saw 3 brothers who looks like me, and one sister that looked like me, conclusively, I decided they could be part of our aunties, in-laws, whatever they are. And that stopped. I did not move forward to want to know what it was. Now much later when I got saved, that is when I went back to interpret what was happening in our family. At the time I realized our grandfather had 38. 38. And the great grandfather had 38. And my grandfather had several wives. And my father had several. And myself, I had a couple of them. So I saw this is a chain. And this thing did not come to me because I was bad man. No, not because I was a bad man. Not because I was an ugly man. They admired me. They followed me. They wanted to be associated with me. They lived and they wanted to live with me. So when I went back, asking myself, why do I have so many women in my life? And I had so many of them. And some of them I didn't even know their names. But I had them. And they kept following me. This one will come and and find me with this one.
Na nipate na huyu.
She will cry a little bit.
Atalia kidogo.
But she will say, Aidhuru.
Na atasema Aidhuru.
Mimi
ni wa hapa.
Mimi ni wa hapa tu.
Siedi mahali.
Then the other one will come and discover me the same problem.
Na huyo mwingine tena atakuja na nielewe.
When I got saved,
nilipookoka,
and I started studying about the spiritual life,
nikaanza kupiga mahesabu ya vita za kiroho.
I discovered one thing.
Nikaelewa kitu kimoja.
This was not real thing.
Si kitu halisi.
There was a spirit behind me
that
kept following me.
And
this spirit did not start with me. This spirit started with somebody. I asked several questions. I went down the family tree. I looked at our bloodline. That is when I discovered my great-grandfather. Now is my name Dura. The name Dura. That man had 38. And many children. And nobody could count the children. The entire of that area of Banana. The Jiko area. The Moshada area. That was the land belonged to my great-grandfather. And all those people, they are family members. So sometimes I go to there and then I will see somebody, a woman, trying to twinkle an eye to me. I can't do it there. Because I'm having my sister.
Maybe dada yangu.
And many people there, they've married people together. Because they did not understand and there was nobody to educate them on what transpired.